Welcome back to my sky. This is Anjali. Hope you are doing well. So today I am going to highlight my hair at home. Before applying this color on your hair, I would like to give you some detail about this pack. So this is Revlon 03 Ultra Light Sun Blonde color. This is ammonia free. And this is very easy to apply. Everything is mentioned on the pack. And I would like to show you the color results here. So if you have light medium blonde color, then result will be this. If you have dark blonde hair, then the result will be this. And if you have light brown hair, then the result will be this. So my hair are dark brown and kind of black, so I don't know what the exact result will be, but I am ready to experiment. I do experiment so that you can get an idea. So let's see, my hair are not perfectly straight. This is kind of wavy, so I'm going to do the straightening on my hair, because after the straightening application of color will be more easy, and I can see the exact portion of my hair that where I have to apply the color. Here is one color developer. This is ammonia free colorant. After color conditioner, and this is very important instructions. So before applying any color, you need to read instructions very carefully. And yes, see, there is gloves also. Okay, sorry. Here, this is something very creative. So you need to apply this color for at least 25 minutes. But if you want resistance coverage of gray hair, then you can apply this for 30 minutes. And if you want ultra light blonde shade like 03, 04 and 05, then you need to apply this color for at least 45 minutes. So I want ultra light blonde color, so I'm going to apply this color at least for 40 minutes. Then I'm going to take my hair in two parts. One is upper layer like this, and one is lower layer like this. So from here I'm going to make a partition like this for my lower hair, and I'm going to tie this and do. So first I'm going to apply hair on my inner hair, and then on upper layer. I'm ready. I'm going to make two portions of my hair, and now I'm going to take small portion like this, like this small portion of my hair. I'm going to apply hair on it, color on it. Done with my inner layer of hair. Now I have to apply color on my upper layer, which is more important because this portion of hair are more visible. now I'm going to wait for this. So this is the color result on my dark brown hair. As you can see, this is not perfectly blonde color. This is kind of orange and red. This portion is kind of golden and blonde. This area I can see looks like golden, but rest of hair are looking like red or orangish. So this is not easy to color your dark brown or black hair into golden or blonde color at home. I think I need double process. Yes, for golden hair I would try double process, and you can see that on my next video. So must watch my next video of double process to lightening your dark brown and black hair into golden and blonde. And I hope guys this video is useful for you. You like this video, so please give your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my videos. I will see you in the next video guys. Till then, goodbye.